Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best electric brush for cleaning the bathroom, the Dovety electric spin scrubber. If you've ever found yourself struggling with tough grime in your tub or tiles, this tool might just be the game changer you need. Right out of the box, the Dovety spin scrubber impresses with its cordless design and lightweight build. This means no more dragging cords around or awkwardly bending over to scrub those hard-to-reach spots. The handle is retractable and adjustable, extending from 14 inches all the way up to 53.5 inches, letting you clean every corner comfortably without putting strain on your back or knees. Whether it's your bathtub, tiles, floors, or even windows and grills, this brush aims to make cleaning effortless. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its dual-speed functionality. It offers two adjustable speeds, a low speed running at 300 rotations per minute and a high speed hitting 500 rotations per minute. The scrubber starts on the higher speed by default, but with a simple long press of the power button, you can switch to the lower speed. This flexibility means you can tackle both delicate surfaces and stubborn stains with ease, saving you valuable time and effort. Another major plus is the variety of brush heads included. The Dovety comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, each designed to handle different cleaning tasks. From scrubbing grout and tiles to tackling sinks, stovetops, car wheels, or even dishes, there's a brush for every job. These heads can reach into tight corners and crevices to lift grime that traditional brushes often miss. Battery life is also impressive. The scrubber is powered by a 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which fully charges in about 2 to 3 hours via a Type-C charging cable. On a full charge, you get up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning power. Plus, the circular battery display with blue light arcs clearly shows the remaining charge, so you're never caught off guard mid-clean. The handle material is made of soft silicone, which feels comfortable in hand and offers a good grip even when wet. The overall dimensions are compact enough to maneuver easily, and the entire unit weighs just under 3 pounds, balancing power and portability well. In summary, the Dovety electric spin scrubber brings together versatility, power, and convenience in one package. Its cordless, adjustable handle design reduces physical strain, the multiple speed settings allow for customized cleaning, and the array of brush heads makes it adaptable for various surfaces and stubborn dirt. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine and make bathroom chores less tiring, this scrubber is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more practical product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy cleaning.